Hi, I'm Raina McDonald, and I am an exhibitor at the Health and Healing Expo in Thousand Oaks today. My company is Viseo Health and Wellness Products. I'm a third-time exhibitor here at the Health and Wellness Expo, Health and Healing Expo, and I have to say this has been one of the best things that I've done to grow my business over the last year.
My name is Renate Damhuis. I'm here with Jung Shim. Jung Shim means beautiful mind. We're a new energy wellness center that has just opened in Agora Hill. We're very excited to be here. Actually, it's been a fantastic expo, and we've been giving treatments non-stop. So we're really excited and happy to be here locally in Thousand Oaks, and we will definitely be here again next year.
Hi, my name's Elon, and I am the founder of Acuna Supply CBD. I first want to thank Claudia for putting together this Health Healing Expo, and I'm really privileged and excited to be here. What really got me involved in the Health and Healing Expo is the idea of having a Conejo Valley community of interested businesses and customers who are interested in, spiritual healing, mental healing, and physical healing. And I'm really excited to share this idea and share this business and create a nice ecosystem of people. And thank you again, Claudia, for having us, and really happy to be part of this great event.
Hi, my name is Celine Capilla, and I'm the founder of Onsele, a center for natural healing. We're here today at the Natural Healing Expo in Thousand Oaks. This is our third year here. We're happy to be here introducing our natural healing modalities, which we lead in helping to facilitate people's natural way of healing through brain optimization, infrared light therapy, and micronutrients. It's wonderful to see people who are looking for alternative means of health and wellness and prevention